Hello and welcome to Osaka famous spot in Japan. Every Sunday I will introduce a famous spot of Osaka in English. I'm your professor Mr. Doi and I'm making this video for my English study. If my pronunciation is unclear, please refer to the script in this video's description. Today I will talk to you about Nakanoshima Library. Nakanoshima Library, also called Osaka Prefectural Nakanoshima Library, is a beautiful and historic library in Kita Ward, Osaka. It opened in 1904 and is now a nationally recognized important cultural property. The building has a Western-style design with a large dome and tall columns. It's a symbol of Osaka history and culture. The library is open to the public. It has many books about Osaka's history, local culture, and business. Visitors can read quietly in the reading rooms or enjoy small exhibits inside. There are English pamphlets and signs so foreign visitors can feel comfortable. Recently, a stylish cafe and a bookstore were added inside the library. It makes it a nice place to relax. Special events like exhibits and talk shows are also held here, so you can enjoy more than just books. The library is near the famous buildings like Osaka City Hall, Nakanoshima Park, and Osaka Central Public Hall. It is easy to get to just a short walk from Yodoyabashi Station on the Osaka Metro or Keihan Line. If you want to see the smart and beautiful side of Osaka, Nakanoshima Library is a great place to visit. It's for all today. Thank you. Bye bye.